Hey everyone, if you're a content creator and want to get the most out of Grok AI, today I'll show you the best prompts to generate ideas, scripts, and more quickly. First, go to Grok AI and either log in or create a new account. You need an account to start generating content prompts effectively. Start with prompts that generate content ideas like, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for tech tutorials. This helps you brainstorm quickly and save time. You can also ask for full scripts, captions, or social media posts. For example, write a YouTube video script about AI tools for beginners. This gives you ready-to-use content. Prompts for catchy titles and hooks work really well. For example, suggest 5 engaging titles for a productivity video. This makes your content more clickable. You can ask Grok AI to compare tools, trends, or create lists. For instance, compare the top 5 AI writing tools in 2026. This is great for research and content planning. Don't stop at the first answer. Refine prompts, ask for alternatives, or add your niche to get results tailored for your audience. Finally, save your favorite prompts, scripts, and ideas for future use. This keeps your content workflow organized and efficient, and that's it. Using these prompts, content creators can save time and generate better ideas with Grok AI. Hope this helps, and yeah, happy creating!